sei un hombre sincero, dedo de crecer a palma. Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera. You say you no man sincero. You say you nombre men sincero. Dedo de crecer a palma. Yam tera daliete. Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera. You say you nombre men sincero. You know that sound. Wapo ni aje? Madam follow YouTube naomba tu.
Ndio.
Inaitwa Maka Mugenda.
Maka.
MAKA Mugenda.
Okay, sawa. TikTok.
YouTube. Tokona weni. You say you nombre men sincero. Dedo de crecer a palma. Yam tema iba iba. Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera. You say you nombre men sincero. Dedo de crecer a palma. Dedo de crecer a. Yeah. You say you nombre men sincero. Jambo. My name is Maka. I have a YouTube channel. You can follow, subscribe to Maka Mugenda. It's called Maka Mugenda. Thank you. Yeah, keep on watching Maka Mugenda. This is how we do it. Yeah, it's a Nyatiti vibe, guys. Right now I'm here in Diani, guys, Diani Beach. So ni kazi yangu ni kuwapea tu just a Nyatiti vibe. Nyatiti vibe. So this is how we do it. Yeah. Thank you. Keep on watching. You say you no man sincero. You say you. You say you no man sincero. Dedo de crecer a palma. Dedo de crecer a. Yeah. Guantanamera, Guantanamera. Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera. Oh yeah. Use un nombre men sincero, dedo de crecer la palma, dedo de crecerá. Use un nombre men sincero, use un nombre men sincero, use un nombre men sincero. Dedo de Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera, Guarira Guantanamera. Oh yeah. Use un nombre men sincero, dedo de crecer la palma. Keep on watching Makamugenda, guys. Thank you so much. I'll move to the other side. Yeah, I'll just take you to the other side of the beach so you can see how this place is. You say you nombre, you say you no me remen sincero, say you no me remen sincero. No option. Option is just walk and walk and walk. You walk. Yeah. So guys, just to show you how this place is. Naonyesha tu venye kuko hapa Diani. Nikitembea tu kwa maji guys. enongeo mana sensisiro. Yeah, so right now I'm on the water, guys. Tembea tu ndani ya maji bwana. Mimi sina say man. Kao live in my home. I just give go there. Man, most. Yeah, so today I just want to show you how huko the other side. Tutakuwa just come back, so don't be worried. You see them right now, see them right away. When you see them right away, so these are these places. I'll be showing you guys sunset. Yeah, so we have a sunset. Also a sunset, but watu wengi wanaenda sunset leo. See, yeah, so this is how this place is. Yeah. So everyone is busy. See, hatuna sira. We are doing the right thing, we don't have any problem. Yeah, so keep on watching, just keep on watching. Naonyesha tu venye Diani iko, Diani Congo River is. How Congo River is beautiful today. Imetulia ile mbaya, imetulia kabisa. Watulia tuli naombe watu bana, kazi ingine ngumu bwana. Sigai play one music. Yeah, so there I'll show you how sunset is. Kwenye sunset iko hiyo itakuwa kwa bili yangu. Yeah, how sunset is, I'll give you that view. Hiyo nayo iko kwa bili yangu, hata msitezeke, nitawaonyesha tu free of charge. Yeah, kwenye jua itaenda, hiyo iko kwa bili yangu guys. So Nyatiti vibe. Also tunachapa tu kao kiasi, no other things apart from kawok. Tembea tu pole pole. Kazi yangu ni kuwaonyesha tu venye Kongo kipo bwana. Yeah, how Congo is. Congo is. So today mine, I'll just give you a vibe, and remember to subscribe. Keep on watching. Yeah. Naona venye kuko very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and keep on watching. This is how sunset is, guys. Metulia kabisa. Yeah. So sunset was very nice. I think leo tutaiwatch vizuri sana kwa jana. Jana ilikuwa na kama unaweza iwatch na kama uwezi kuiwatch pia, lakini leo today will be better than yesterday. Yeah, so you will just watch very slowly. Pole pole. Yeah. So keep on watching Maka Mugenda. This is how sunset is. You say you know sense sincero. Men said ira palma. Baba. Yeah. You say you don't remain sincero. Será palma. Yeah. Guantanamera. Thank you. That's why I have to move the other side so that you can show you how the sun is going. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, so this now let me show you. I just continue to show you how this is. Very nice. Very nice. You know, today I have a Nyatiti vibe. Apart from Nyatiti vibe, also have a that station called Sunset. Jambo. Where? Wow. Music. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. My name is Maka.
My name is Cynthia.
Cynthia. That's fine. So, umuga wachane bwana. Parna nyingi.
You are singing for my name, Valentine.
Okay, I remember.
You speak Swahili or not?
You speak English.
No, but I mean in it. Swahili or the other?
Our tribe is called Luolistic. Yeah, Luolistic is you know. Have you, this guy told you is a cousin is called Barack Obama.
You know Barack Obama?
I know, and I don't like him.
Okay, then there's no problem. But so we are from Lower Europe. I'm sorry for that. We are from Lower Europe. Yeah, so I play instrument called Nyatiti. Can I give you one vibe? Can I play for you one song?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Maka Mugenda.
On Spotify.
YouTube. Thank you. Yeah, so Keep on watching, keep on watching. So this is how this place is. Yeah, this is how this place is. Aje bro, ona kama unafanya usafi. Yeah, so this is how this place is. Very, very fine, very nice. You can watch from this spot. I think today it will be more fine, more nice than yesterday. Yeah? The sunset leo itakuwa iko sawa. Yeah. So keep on watching. Jambo, keep on watching. This is how this place is, guys. Wow. It's very, very nice. Keep on watching, Maka. Enda. This is how we do it. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Yeah, let me say hi to these my guys before we continue. I'll be just 1 minute, kindly. Yeah, so just continue. I'll move to the other side because right now you have already watched the sunset. Yeah, so still it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, so even your kuko, guys, very nice. Very nice. You are watching from this place. Very malod. Very matek. Very matek. Yeah. Ya, korana mara ina wuto. Alafu mna begi kama kauwe biji kama na mzungu na panga rokawa. Aje bro. Haiko maka. Nafanya thank you. Yeah, so just continue watching. I'm talking to this. So this venye iko very nice, more nice. I'm live, so I'm just talking to them. You say you don't want a music? Okay, thank you for that. I'm happy to hear that. Thank you so much. Yeah, so this is how this place is, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so hata vya mozo wanaonge wacho onge utetesi bwana, onge time hapo embeleza dai, you don't have that time to just embeleza. Yeah, so just concentrating hata vogi makonyo wa bwana, lakini no noma hinya bewawere mna kodi studio napedi mzungu na kuecho kawera kwa bila kena. It's better I be alone, nigga. It's better I be alone. I struggle alone. Don't confuse people. There's no need for confusing. You just confusing. Confuse watu. Kuna mzungu. Why? I should I do that? Kama sina wachikae hivyo. Just continue. Better continue. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching. Today I do a lot of practice, so that's the main reason why your vibe nitawapea, lakini si venye inafaa ikuwe. Yeah, so let me talk to these guys just 1 minute, so that you know everything. We'll just continue. Niambie bro. Bari sister. Naitwa Maka Mugenda. I do Afrofusion music, have a YouTube channel, so just requesting in case you'll be online, follow YouTube, subscribe, watch YouTube. Maka Mugenda. Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Nope. Yeah, pia anatembea venye anatembea. Jina yangu ndio inakaa nikuimbie Kijaluo. Yeah. Let me sing for these ladies one song. Wanasema ni waimbie Kijaluo. Simi Kijaluo. YouTube, yes. Yeah, I'm not in TikTok. TikTok the same name, but nimebase YouTube than TikTok. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, nikuimbie nikuimbie msichana yupi hapo? Hey. Mali safi. Anaitwa nani? Jen. Na yeye? Jack na Jen. Yeah, so let me give Jack and Jen one song before I give you Nyatiti vibe. I have decided, oh my God, to sing to Jen. Ah, Jenny, oh no, no, Jen, mama. Yeah. First time I met to Madam Jen Magamugera, Nilimwona Jack, my brother. Yeah. Jack, you are lucky to have Jen, mama. Yeah. Jen, more beauty, the lady more beauty, Jen, mama, yeah, without any makeup, yeah. Jen, more beauty, the lady more beauty, you want to control economy, just stay with Jen. Yeah, Jen, more beauty. Sorania tao, Ari anaka dimpos, Shampoo, Niawa Karabe, Yawa Jenny Karabe, Yawa Jenny Karabe. Jack, let me tell you, Jen was not born, Jen was created on Monday, very early in the morning. Yeah. Jen was created on Monday, yeah. Jack, if you wanna be a billionaire, just stay with Jen. Just stay with Jen. Just stay with Jen. If you wanna be a billionaire in future, yeah. Jen wife material, Sora inaoa, hadi anakadimpos, yeah. Jen, more beauty, more beauty, more beauty. I wish I see your mother, Jen. You know, beautiful lady like Jenny, they look like their mothers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I pray for you, Jenny and Jack, so that you can last long, 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 long. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for clapping. So that this will take you to Nyatiti vibes. Keep on watching. Wacha niongee na Jack na Jane huku kwanza. Just 1 minute. Stand yangu hizi yangu. Unioni MAKA. Space. Jack, yeah. Simi nimekuacha. Yeah. So keep on watching Maka Mugenda. Right now I'll take you to the other side of the beach. Ni waonyeshe vibes, have a Nyatiti vibe. And remember to subscribe to Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Okay, have a nice time. Yeah, so just walking very slowly, pole pole. Tunaenda tu pole pole, hatuna say, we don't have a say nigga. Hatuna story. Yeah, so this is how this place is, guys. Unajua saizi tuko almost high season but bado haijafika sana. We just appreciating for what we are getting. Yeah, so acha niwaonyeshe tu venye maji iko. Yeah, I call Maka Mugenda. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Yeah, so there's a guy I meet. Mzungu ananiambia I don't understand English. Na kama understand anajua je kuongea. Why. I meet someone mzungu mwingine ananiambia hey please I don't understand English. So, okay. How do you know? Najuaje kuongea kama uelewi? How can you speak what you don't understand? Man, I don't joke with that. And you know we Luos never beg. Poko beg. So that's hustle bro, just very slowly. Tuna matata, tunapeleka tu polepole. What will just open doors. Tuna noma, hatuna noma, no noma. Yeah, right now sunset have gone, sun have already gone. I think these people, they will just come back from the look of things. Yeah, already they are just coming, so no problem. Yeah. Buta kulambuta. Sisi si wajanga hata kwa fugario ni bwana. Talk with my team, okay? All back. Yeah, so right now I'm moving on. Just water. This is called river Congo. Natembea kwa maji, si underwater. Kianga wanasema underwater. Me, I'm walking inside the water. There's no underwater here. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching. This is how Congo River is, guys. Love you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. You say you know, me sincero, de doctresa, crescerá palma. Yeah, we are just doing very slowly, pole. Kuna matata. bless me, bless me. Oh, bongo, bless me, bless me, bless me. Oh, bongo, bless me. Oh, you. Apanga evolori chonge ngochunya, bongo mane chunya. Wota kajoke epinika, tola katare runda. Asebedo pinyo mayo gobera. Jonge gimakonya, awoke mona donje kongo. Manjaga dua nega, doseche moko richo ponga malicho. Agombo mana neko, richo pongo linda. Omiya iwangi nyakalago bongo ya. Oh bongo, bless me, bless me, bless me. Oh bongo, bless me. Abedu pinya yiwako sa chumala chamwet kaya yuok maido. Tubaro bongo biya malicho. Agala kakasigana. Nubile kanya sayara undara na manyo tongulu. Asandora ikiwa mabete. Adong tanga. Oh bongo, bless me, bless me, bless me. Oh bongo, bless me. Oh you. Yeah. Oh bongo, bye. You wanna love Baba, wanna love Baba. You wanna love Baba. Oh bongo, oh bongo, oh bongo, oh bongo, oh bongo. Yeah. Oh bongo, oh bongo, oh bongo. No kana yoro jere, na kana yoro jere, ni ayo jere, na kana yoro jere. No bongo, yeah. Na bongo da, na bongo da, na bongo arai, na kiparo yuze. Ala bongo, ala bongo, ala bongo, ala bongo. Jambo, jambo.
Over there, we'll plant another.
Yeah. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Caesar. Yeah. Night with it, night with it. Yeah. Yeah. decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Caesar. Caravan, 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 caravan. Yeah. Gonyogana. Yeah. Caravan, 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 caravan. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Yeah. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Caesar. Caravan, 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 caravan. Gonyogana. Yeah. Gonyogana. 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 Jambu. Gonyogana. I have decided to follow Caesar. I have decided to follow Caesar. Caravan, 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 caravan. I have decided to follow Caesar. Yeah. Caravan, 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 Gonyogana. Caravan, caravan, yeah. Caravan, caravan, yeah. Yeah. Jump on. Night with it, night with it. Caravan, 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 yeah. Caravan, caravan, Gonyogana. Yeah. Yeah. I have decided to follow. Naje poa.
Poa, mambo vipi?
Oh, naitwa Maka bro.
Fiti kabisa. Kamba 8.
Kamba nani? Niko na YouTube channel tu Instagram. Follow subscribe.
Unaitwaje?
Maka msema. Maka is MAKA. Kama ni kwa Maka moja.
Piga moja, piga moja haraka haraka.
Unaenda wapi? Bali nilijana.
Lakini fiti hapana weka YouTube.
Ime Facebook.
Okay, haya. Piga kati usikie.
Naitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa Ken.
Ken.
Na wewe unaitwa Pale.
I have decided to sing to Ken and Wale. I have decided to sing to Ken and Wale. First time I meet my brother Ken Baba, I see funny. Yeah. The lady more beauty, falling more beauty. Let me tell you, and my brother, you are lucky. So I'm falling Baba. The lady more beauty, more beauty, more beauty, without makeup. Yes. The lady was not was created for money. Asubuni kama Mungu ako alive. And if you want to control economy, just say it's money. Just say it's money. Yeah. Sura inaweza. Sura inaweza.
Ogwalo inaweza.
Ogwalo. Nyapito ngebe watero dala. Nyapito ngebe watero dala. Nyapito ngebe watero dala. Yawati elu. Olimpikalu. Wateri niye katangeke. Wateri niye kamongo. Bambo tawa. Nyapini oroma nyoma. Wateri mono nyonyolo koiti. Ai mama hiki. Ai mama hiki. Imose katadayoda. Sasa
Yes.
sasa mimi wacha niendelee na kazi yangu.
Endelea.
Wenye nimekata na
Sasa hivi unaendelea.
kaa huko mbele. Ama utoke kando yangu. Option ni mbili. Utoke kando yangu ama bebe.
Nataka kujifanyia
Emirates. Kuna YouTube channel, follow, subscribe. Maka Mugenda.
Tafutia kule si unakuja?
Maka MK Express. No. Yeah, so keep on watching, guys. This is how these people are just coming from the river. So I'll just give you vibe, eh? Vibe after vibe, vibe after vibe, very slow vibe. Sometimes I go, I don't know what's over me. I don't. Hello guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Maka Mugenda. Kindly. Maka is MAKA space Mugenda. Thank you. Bro, subscribe tafadhali, naomba tu. Maka Mugenda, MAKA space Mugenda. Yeah. Vipi bro?
Kwanza na bobo.
why nobody don't like me. Oh, is the fact that I'm so happy. Wonder why nobody don't like me. Baba, yeah, yeah. Oh, is the fact that I'm so happy. Leave my whole house and home. My children don't want me no more. But donkeys inside the house they bring. When I talk they start to sing. Mama Luka yeah. Mama Luka yeah. Wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, is the fact that I'm so happy. Wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, is the fact that I'm so happy. Leave my whole house and home. My children don't want me no more. But donkeys inside the house they ring. When I talk they start to sing. Mama Luka yeah. So I began to show them matter. So I began to show them matter. These children know no behavior. They play the human wife clear. You should be proud of them, my dear. Hello. Person, my name is Mark. I have a YouTube channel. So in case you are online, follow, subscribe, watch. Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Thank you so much. No problem. What's your name, bro? Doni. Okay, no problem. No, Doni, Baba. I am inside Doni. Yeah, Doni, Baba. No, Doni, Baba. That's the one never die. Yaudah. Gimana kita no? Kendo. Ya, wah.